Here it is. Up the shaft. Door open. Up to 2.
Yes.
Door close button works. I like that as well. There's a certificate of operation. There's non-smoking. Indicators up there. Whoa, look at the lights. It's a fire. Here are all the buttons. Here too. Here it is. Up the shaft. Look, look, and go back to 1. These walls are pretty orange. The close button works again. I like that. This store once used to be a Dillard's store, which had a more of a yellowish interior and a white outside and a more of a creamer mall entrance. Go back up to 2. And I did not know that these walls were not, they did not have these frames when I was at Dillard's. And